Hello, myself Riddhi Sushil. So today I'm going to share with you all the tips of sequence and series which will make your approach towards the solution a bit easier. Okay, so I want to make this video to clear your doubts to some extent. Okay, so my first tip is that according to the analysis, that 58 to 60% of the questions are asked from AP, GP and HP topics. Okay, and 20 to 25% questions are asked from special series which are neither AP, GP or HP. 10% questions are asked from AGP and 7% questions are asked from the inequalities question, means AM, GM, HM वाले जो questions होते हैं उसकी जो inequalities होती हैं, that questions only. So the thing that I want to tell is that you first focus on AP, GP and HP, and then you focus on the special series which is solved by method of difference or VN method. Okay, so now tip 2, that is, if any series is given, then you first check that it is whether AP, GP or HP. ठीक है, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता उसको चेक करने में. यू कैन चेक इन 2 minutes that whether it is AP, GP or HP, and if not so, then check whether it is AGP. And if it is not AGP, then give your full focus on special series. Then it must be 99% question of special series. So you make your focus on method of difference and VN method. My third tip is that if in exam any statement question is given, then you first kindly read the statements much carefully. Then after reading one statement, you write the expression for that, which will make your work and approach towards the solution much easier. Since once you understand the concept, what the questions want to tell you, once you grab it, then it will be more easier for you to solve. My tip 4 is that inequalities question, क्योंकि वो बहुत कठिन होते हैं and it is tricky also. So in mains it is asked very rarely only, yeah, but it is asked, but if you want to skip you can, but just keep the simple understanding of inequalities also, because if simple questions are asked then you can easily answer to that. Otherwise if you want to skip you can, because majority of questions are asked from AGP, AP, GP and HP and the special series. Okay, and my tip 5, at least you keep the simple approaches, at least you learn the formula of all the theorems. Okay, all the theorems which are given